Hey y'all! If you've been indulging a little too much lately, like I have, it's time for a refresh. Today, we're whipping up a delicious and easy-to-make detox juice that will cleanse your body and get you back on track. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome back to SRY Foods. Today, we're diving into a super refreshing and healthy juice recipe that's perfect for a little reset. We'll be using green apple, cucumber, pineapple, and a few other secret ingredients to create a drink that's not only tasty but packed with benefits. So, grab your blender and let's get started. Before you go, I've got a little surprise for you at the end of this video, a quick tip on how to take this juice to the next level and make it even more powerful for your health. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. 1. Green apple. First up, we have green apple, specifically Granny Smith. These apples are lower in sugar, which helps keep your blood sugar levels in check. They're also packed with fiber, which is great for digestion and keeping you feeling full longer. Plus, the antioxidants in green apples can help protect your cells from damage, keeping your skin glowing and your body strong. 2. Cucumber. Next is cucumber, which is super hydrating thanks to its high water content. Cucumbers are fantastic for weight loss because they're low in calories but high in fiber, helping to curb those cravings. They also support healthy digestion, keep your skin hydrated, and have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce puffiness and promote a healthy complexion. Pineapple. Now, let's talk pineapple. Not only does it add a delicious sweetness to the juice, but it's also rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and keeps your skin looking vibrant. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and can reduce inflammation in the body. It's perfect for anyone looking to soothe their digestive system while enjoying a sweet treat. 4. Ginger. Ginger is the next star ingredient, and it's a true superfood. It's fantastic for digestion, helping to soothe an upset stomach and reducing nausea. Ginger is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help fight off colds and boost your immune system. It adds a nice kick to the juice while working wonders for your health. 5. Lemon. And let's not forget the lemon. Adding lemon juice not only brightens the flavor but also gives your immune system a big boost with its high vitamin C content. Lemons are also great for detoxifying the body, promoting healthy digestion, and giving your skin a natural, radiant glow. Plus, it helps keep those apples from turning brown. 6. Apple cider vinegar. For an extra health kick, I like to add a tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. ACV is known for helping regulate blood sugar levels, improving digestion, and aiding in weight loss. It also adds a subtle tang that complements the sweetness of the juice perfectly. Just make sure to add it right before drinking for the best results. 7. Fiber. And finally, I add a scoop of complete fiber to my juice. This fiber blend includes psyllium husk, chia seeds, and inulin, all of which are fantastic for keeping you regular and supporting gut health. The added fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and makes you feel fuller, longer, which is perfect if you're trying to manage your weight. So there you have it. This juice is not just refreshing and delicious, but it's also a health-boosting powerhouse. From improving digestion and regulating blood sugar to hydrating your body and giving your skin a natural glow, this juice has it all. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how you feel after incorporating it into your routine. Cheers to your health! And don't forget to watch until the end for a special tip on how to take this juice to the next level. See you next time in SRY Foods. Goodbye and God bless.